How to check if your iPhone is new, used or refurbished. Yes, some people are using iPhone without knowing that they are using a fake iPhone or refurbished iPhone. If you want to find out, go to settings, tap general, then about, and look at the first model number. Letter M means it is new, F indicates refurbished, N signifies a replacement device, P denotes personalized and engraved device. Verify battery health and cycles. Go to settings, tap battery, then battery health to check battery's maximum capacity. A low or zero cycle count typically indicates a new device, whereas a low percentage suggests it has been used. Check parts and service history. In settings, tap general, then about. You can see if any component like the battery or display has been replaced. Thank you for watching this video. This is IQChi. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and I have other interesting videos in my channel which you will like. Thank you.